Hi everyone, just boxing up this giveaway cube, and I thought I'd throw in a robot and some other bits and pieces too. Oh, it's not solved. N-Perm. Great opportunity to try out my new 14 move N-Perm. Why I settled for a 21 mover originally, I don't know. This is actually quite tricky. Juggling objects of different shapes, sizes and weights means I have to keep track of the robot and the tools more actively than I would with balls or cubes. And of course solve N-Perm at the same time. There we go, M-Mountain 03, your cube. Goodbye faithful RS3N V5, on to a better place.